taking steps but falling back. Healing never moves that fast. I know I'm still in between who I was and who I'll be. Sometimes I miss the past me,